Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Mishra and welcome to my channel Pro Website Crafter. In this video, we are gonna learn about the heading widget in Elementor. Elementor is a website builder which helps you create beautiful websites. So let's get into the screen and play around. Now we can really see what we are gonna make today. This amazing looking title. Now we are in the dashboard. Let's get into parent, all parent. And say edit with Elementor. You don't need to go to edit and then press the word edit with Elementor. You can directly get to Elementor like this. This is what we had made for our example. Now let's recreate it. First we have to add our heading widget. This is the widget we are going to use. Inner section works like section under a section. So if we don't know how to use our other widgets, then we can't take the tutorial of this widget. That's why we are taking heading before it. First, from the title text area, you can change this following text that it shows you. So let's write heading widget. Update it to see your changes live. And when we refresh our page which we are looking at, boom boom boom, our heading widget is here. Let's go in our section and do one thing. Full width. Now, I want to center line it and make it size XXL. And also change the color plan. Update it and see it change. Woohoo! There it goes. Now to get our shadow effect, I'm going to use a font. So open a typography and check the family. I'm going to look for vast shadow. I'll make the size larger through the size option. Yes. And the weight higher. It just affected a teeny tiny bit. But it's okay. Transform. Let's do it uppercase. So hand. Style, we are gonna keep to normal, but we are not gonna use these right now because we are not looking for italic text. And decoration, also we are gonna use none of these. You can change your line height. That changes the spacing between lines. I think I would like this instead. And letter spacing too. Wow, that is already so nice. Let's update and see changes live. Now, that is exactly what we wanted. But now I feel like I want to fill in these gaps. So for the vast shadow font, this is what would work the best. A box shadow. Change the color to this color. Yes. And then decrease the blur. Horizontal, say that how much spacing horizontally Just this takes it towards the right and this takes it towards the left. For us it will be 0. And same goes with vertical, that means vertical axis. Minus means up. Plus or positive numbers means down. And that's how we can color our text from a shadow. Not for all fonts working, but you can even get glow effects using this very same trick. Now blend mode. I don't think this should work like this because it needs an image in the background. Okay guys, now I want to tell you about a resource that you will surely love. It's Abe. Find around many stock photos. Let's just pick one about, let's say, mountains. Yeah. And that is a free download. Download. Right? This is completely free, so there is no problem. Now we'll go in classic, not color, and image. Upload files to apply our new graphic. And now let's go in downloads and just take in this one that we right now just downloaded. And there we go, we've got it. Taking in. Yeah. Well, it was 640. And now it looks up. Whoa. Now we need our position to be center. Attachment to be default. Repeat to be no repeat. And size to be well covered. But we want it to cover the screen. Now let's see what our blend modes can do. Because this is how they can take effect. Look how this just made this interesting gradient on the shadow with multiply. And screen can do the reverse. Boom! It makes this effect. Overlay will give this effect. I kind of like it. You can check out it even more play around with darken. Now our gradient is more subtle. Not with this. Won't work for me. Saturation? Color? Not working with different. Illusion? This won't work. Luminosity. But I overlay for this chance. So here we go. We have even more interesting heading, and we have found everything, learned everything about the heading widget today. And if we update here, same thing goes here. And you can create wonderful headings and heroes using this widget. Now we know how to use the heading widget, and that's it for today. Bye.